So, are you looking for a way to get instant money, like money that is really fast? Not money that will take like 7 days or 3 days to get paid into your account, but are you looking for money that will take less than 24 hours to get into your account? Something really quick and easy to do. Well, this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you methods that can get you a lot of money very quickly, and you don't need any experience for this. You don't need skills for this. This is very easy to do. Now, all you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain every single thing to you. I'll explain to you step by step on what exactly you need to do in order to get this money. It's so easy. Now, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay money to do this. You don't have to spend any money to register or anything. It's free and available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from. Africa, Australia, America, South America, Europe, Asia, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. So just make sure you don't skip any part of the video, because every step is important. So just take some time to just watch this video all the way to the end. Now, before I show you this strategy, I need you to subscribe to the AD Money channel. Please, just subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. That red button, subscribe, click subscribe. Turn on all post notifications, that bell, just click that bell so that anytime I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So the website I want to show you is rewardingways. Rewardingways.com. Now, when you click rewardingways.com, you're going to get onto this page. So I'm going to explain how it works. As you can see here, get paid fast. You can get paid via PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, or Bitcoin, and the payment is within 24 hours, so it doesn't take more than 24 hours. This is what is so special about this, is that it doesn't delay. Now, what you get from the best paid survey site: you get access online paid surveys, make money online, you get paid today, work from home, free join bonus. Now, what you'll actually be doing is just be answering a couple of questions, and you get money for that. As you see, so far we've paid our members $1,620,769. So it's a lot of money, and people are always joining because it's so easy to do. As you can see here, complete online surveys, earn cash and gift cards. Earn cash will reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill and get paid the same day. So it's absolutely easy to do. You get questions about maybe fashion, transport, food, so different kind of topics that you will be asked, and they just want you to answer the questions and just give your feedback concerning different topics. And they actually use your feedback to send to different kinds of companies around the world so that they can make big market changes based on how consumers see different things, how you view fashion, how different people view transport, what people like, what people don't like, so that they can actually change the market so that they can actually get more customers because of what people are actually looking for. So your feedback on these surveys are actually very important. So it's not just something that you think you can just be doing surveys and it's just for fun. No, these surveys are actually very valuable and very meaningful to them. That is why they're actually willing to pay you to actually answer these surveys. So let's check over here. We have about 14,901 pages of people who have been paid. Now, as I'm making this video, this is today, just making $1, $6, $1, $2, $25, $10, $3, $7, $5, $11, $2, $11, another $2. So people are making money. It's quick money, easy money. And you don't need to limit yourself to doing one survey. You can do so many surveys. As you can see, the current members right now, they're 450,120. That is a lot of members. The reason so many people join Rewarding Ways is because it's so easy to do, and in as much as doesn't seem like it's a lot of money. $3, $25, $2, $10. But the thing is that you can do so many surveys in a day, and you can make $100 in one day, or $150, $200 in a single day, because you're taking surveys, you're taking a lot of surveys. So if you have that time to just be at home and just take surveys, the surveys are quite long, but they're not too long because they're so easy. They're so easy to answer. You'll just be answering different questions that are actually interesting, fun questions that you can answer. And you can make $6, $2 per survey. And you can actually do many surveys, 10 surveys, 20 surveys a day. And you can do this every single day. And as you can see, every member is making something. And they're paid by PayPal, Skrill, PayPal. Everybody's mainly using PayPal. So PayPal is really cool because it's really easy and straightforward. If you don't have a PayPal account, you just want to create one. It's absolutely free. Just go onto paypal.com and get an account, and you can just get your money directly to PayPal, unless you want to use Skrill or get something on Amazon, depending on what you want. So this is absolutely an easy method that I want to show you. It's rewarding ways. It's really great, really awesome to do, and I just hope that you can make the most out of it. And you can do this on your phone as well. It's something you can do in the car. If you're driving in the car, you can just do like the surveys in the car just whilst you're driving, or while somebody's driving and you're bored and you're in the back seat or in the passenger seat. Just do some surveys, get money. Just before going to bed, just do a couple of surveys and get money. It's just quick money that you can make. So that is the first website I want to show you. The second one is called Inbox Pays. It's inboxpays.com. Now let me explain. As you can see, complete paid offers and market research for cash. Earn money by successfully completing our paid surveys and offers. Learn how you can receive coupons, discounts, and giveaways with your participation in our offers and surveys. Refer your friends and earn additional income. Earn additional income by reading emails. Maximum $25 per payout. Get paid by the 1st and 15th every month through PayPal. Now, what is great about this is that they pay really good money. They really pay good money compared to the other websites. The other websites really pay well because you can just do multiple surveys and get a lot of money. But over here, just by doing one survey, you get paid like reasonable big money. This is what I like about Inbox Pays, is because they really pay good money. But over here, you get paid between the 1st and the 15th of every month. So it's not something that you request your money instantly and say, oh, I want my money in 24 hours. No, you get paid between the 1st and the 15th, but they pay like good money. So this is the difference between both websites that I've shown you here. Here you can make like reasonable, like good money, but you have a limitation of when they'll pay you, which is between the 1st and the 15th. So you can decide if you're looking for something that, okay, you want to get paid instantly, you want to go back to rewarding ways. But if you don't mind doing like something that will pay you like reasonable money for like surveys, but you get paid between the 1st and the 15th, then you just want to come onto Inbox Pays. Or you can do both at the same time. Remember, you're a human being and you can multitask. You can use both websites. So something will work every single day, get payments every 24 hours, and something you can wait between the 1st and the 15th and get like some big money. And when you combine the two, you can make like even like thousands of dollars every month just from actually doing surveys. So it's really awesome. So the first thing you need to do is you want to sign up for free. It's absolutely free. Just want to sign up. You want to click over here. You just want to click on sign up. If you don't already have an account, of course, you just want to sign up, and it's absolutely free. So you just want to follow the procedure to sign up. Very easy to do. And the second thing is complete offers, check out products and services of your interest, and give feedback. So what is actually happening here is that they're going to send you to different websites, and actually they want you to go through the website and check out different products and what you think of the products. Maybe you think the price is too high. Maybe you don't like the color. Maybe you want different colors. Maybe it's a handbag. and you want this handbag made in a different color, or maybe it's jewelry, or maybe it's transport, cars. You don't like this car, the shape of this car is a bit funny, or what. So there's so many different categories. Maybe it's food, you like the food, maybe the price of the food is a bit high, maybe you want different things on the menu. So it's just giving feedback, and they're going to pay you for actually giving that feedback. So it's absolutely easy to do, and it's really, really fun to do. As you can see, they said members have earned more than $2,215,709. So a lot of people are actually taking advantage of this. The reason people are joining this is because it's so easy to do. People are now looking for work that doesn't require a lot of experience, because so many things in the world now, people want experience, and 4 years experience, and 2 years experience, and 7 years experience, and this and that. And some people never actually had the opportunity to get like reasonable studies. People never actually had like knowledge from like university or things like that. So people are just looking for ways where they can just use their common sense and the basic knowledge that they have, and the basic computer skills and the phone skills that they've earned throughout the years, and just do something that is quick and actually make some money. And this is one of the platforms that you can use to actually make that money. If you're that type of person that doesn't really want to go into like too much, technicality of too much knowledge and all that jazz, you just want like something that's straightforward that you can do easily and make money. Inbox Pays is great for you. It's really, really awesome for you. So you just want to go onto Inbox Pays. It's inboxpays.com. Very simple. Remember, the first one is rewardingways.com. The second one is inboxpays.com. The third website I want to show you is iPoll. It's iPoll.com. iPoll, how it works. iPoll is an online and mobile community where your unique perspective is your game. Answering questions about the products and the services you use and places you visit every day is all you have to do to access great rewards. So let me explain to you so that you don't get confused. iPoll is a platform where they want feedback, just like Inbox Pays. So iPoll just wants you to give feedback, maybe on regular restaurants that you visit, or like maybe the new headphones that you bought, or new headphones that you want to buy, or different kind of things, like things in technology. Maybe they want to find out what computer you use and what is your view on this computer, why you don't like this computer, why you think this computer should be better, or what different things. Maybe on food, transport, maybe on fashion, brands, new brands, the prices of new brands. They'll take you to different websites. Go onto Amazon and check this product. What you think about this product? Maybe you think like, hey, this product's a bit expensive. Hey, maybe this product looks a bit small. Or maybe you bought some headphones, battery powered headphones, and you don't like the battery duration. You don't like the duration, and it doesn't take a long time before the battery becomes flat. Or just give your feedback. So it's just get mobile with your opinions. What is your opinion? What do you think about this and that? Just giving your opinion is what they're going to pay you for. Simple as that. It's not complicated, very easy and very simple. Now over here, how do you get paid? You can get your money straight to your PayPal account. If you are a person, you just want cash, you don't care about any gift card, anything on iTunes, nothing. You want money because you have your own goals, you want to do whatever you want to do. You get your money straight onto PayPal. PayPal is just where you can get your money, withdraw your money, and do whatever you want with your money. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's free. Go onto paypal.com, create an account, absolutely free. If you don't want your cash straight, you want something from Amazon, you can get an Amazon gift card. If you want something from the App Store or the iTunes, you can get that as well. So the rewards are in these 3 different categories, and very cool platform, very easy to do. Remember, these are platforms where you don't get like, hey, you get $500 a day. No, you do different kind of activities that can accumulate to $500 a day. So it's all about how much time you spend on these websites. So first one, Rewarding Ways. Second one, Inbox Pays. And the third one is iPoll. So I hope this works for you. It's working for so many people. I really appreciate your time for watching this video. It's awesome, and just take advantage right now and enjoy it. Make a lot of money, save, do whatever you have to do, buy whatever you want to buy the greatest thing you've ever wished you could buy. Just make sure you make the most out of this and make some reasonable money. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the fact that you have watched my video all the way to the end. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you can easily be able to watch my videos. Like this video and comment all your questions down below. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.